Go.
What's that noise?
I don't know.
Doesn't that old rich guy live there?
Yeah, he's kind of rude.
I know. It sounds like crying.
I know. Do you think?
Yeah. Let's come back tomorrow.
Okay. The next day. It's screwed up. It's cold in here. It's louder.
Yeah. It's dark too.
I know.
Let's go in this room.
Okay. Let's get a little louder.
Let's go in this room. It's dark in here.
I know, I can't. What's that noise?
I don't know. Let's check in this room.
Okay. Go.
Nothing in here.
I heard it once again.
Let's go out of here. Okay, we're done.